Hi guys, this is Kelly once again from Bobbin Machines, and today I'll be reviewing the Pfaff 9 sewing machine. Okay, this model 9, it's pretty decent and simple machine. You know, one thing about German machines is about their simplicity, and the seams are very perfect and it's quite easy to use. Okay, so I'll quickly run through the features of the machine and do the threading and do some few stitches with it. Okay, I was able to do this and a couple of buttonholes and some other stitches with the machine. Now it comes with a double thread stand which you can use for if you have a twin needle. Okay, if you look closely here, there's something like a disc here, but this is actually for needle position. You can see this is for left and middle and right. Okay, while this one that has a number 0 to 4 is when you want to activate the zigzag feature of the machine. So once it's on 0, you're sewing the regular straight stitch, and once it's on 4 or any of the numbers here, you're sewing the zigzag stitch. Okay, the motor is external, meaning you can actually use it with a treadle, which is the manual machine leg. Okay, you just take out the screw here and remove the belt that holds the motor to the machine, then actually use that with the treadle. Now here you have your reverse. If you want to reverse the machine, this one is your stitch length regulator. It has number 0 to 4. Okay, so 4 being the highest, you just hold this down like this and you're back stitching. All right, now this one here is what controls the way you use winding the bobbin. It's called the bobbin winder. You just push this here. When you push it there, it's actually winding the bobbin. And also there's the tension. It uses HA, DB, and the DB needles. Now it uses the Pfaff industrial shuttle and bobbin. Okay, so I have a couple of bobbins. I have the plastic ones also, and there's also the there's the plastic ones and the metal ones. Okay, so I'll run through the threading and also do some couple of stitches with the machine. All right. Okay, I already threaded the machine. It's quite easy. From the thread stand, any of the thread stand here goes down to this place here, comes down to the tension, goes up to this thread carrier, runs down, and you thread from front to back. Uses the front oscillatory mechanism of threading. Okay, so I'll run through a couple of stitches now. Also the machine has light. Okay, so it has a switch here and you can always switch off and switch on. Okay, so and sewing the regular straight stitch, this has to be on 0. Okay, like I told you, this lever is for the zigzag and all that. This has to be on 0. Then you actually put on needle position on the middle part. All right, so when you stitch now, there you have it. Stitch the back. Okay, I think I'll need to work on the tension, just tighten it a bit. All right, so just adjust the tension a bit and like so. All right, okay, there you have it. Then you can actually reduce the stitch length. Okay, I just want to reduce this now to about, let's say, 3 or 2.5. All right, that's 2.5. Okay, so now if you want to sew the zigzag, okay, like I told you, you just have to come here and pull this. I'll be using 5 for the purpose of this video, and let's say I want to reduce my stitch length to like 2. Okay, so when I sew, okay, there you have it. I can further reduce the stitch length so I can get a more closer stitch. Let's say I want to use 1. Okay, then have it a much more closer and tighter stitch. Now if you want to do any of the design, you can actually regulate it with your hand. You can do any pattern you want to do, but I always advise you stick with what you know. And it's a pretty decent machine. Has all the interesting features. The seam perfect, you know, and I would recommend this machine for usage for beginners, for intermediate, for expert. The build is pretty nice and amazing stitch. Thank you so much for watching, and God bless you.